Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way so the work can begin. Install matching GPU drivers and CUDA/cuDNN, and enable persistence mode to avoid slow wake-ups. Once done, set the power profile to high performance and prepare your dataset and initial batch sizes. Make sure you identify the process or script that will drive the GPU and run a quick device query to confirm visibility. This gets you into a state where you can push towards sustained 100% GPU usage without guessing. You now focus on execution details that drive utilization. Gradually increase batch size until you approach memory limits so GPU kernels stay busy. Use mixed precision when your model tolerates it. FP16 often yields large throughput gains. Profile the workload to find kernel bottlenecks, and then overlap host preprocessing with GPU execution using streams or async transfers. Make sure to pin host memory and tune data loaders to avoid stalls, because sustained utilization is as much about feeding the GPU as it is about fast kernels. You finish by stabilizing the loop. Lock clocks if needed, monitor temperatures, and log utilization over time so you can spot regressions. Automate graceful restarts for out-of-memory or thermal events, and ensure checkpoints save state so retries don't lose progress. If you hit low usage, first examine the data pipeline and CPU threads, then validate PCIe bandwidth and driver settings. A single troubleshooting tip: profile end-to-end. If the GPU idles, the bottleneck is almost always upstream in feeding or synchronization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.